Yep, Bafethu. Yep, Bafethu. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bafethu. Follow me on Facebook. Follow me on TikTok, Bafethu. I only speak nothing but facts, Bafethu. Qiniso will set you free. Sibe honest ngoLyle Foster, Bafethu. Let's be honest nje. Lyle Foster ne. Ngifuna ukunikhomba enye into futhi. Ngifuna ukunikhomba lento yokuthi i-football mafias ku-PSL bakhona. Bafethu, uLyle Foster ne una-10 years asukile ku-Pirates. Mara checka i-record lakhe lamagoli. Akanayo ne-50 goals. As i-striker bafethu. As i-striker awunayo ne-50 goals. Una-10 years ustrike udlala i-position 9. Awunayo ne-50 goal but bayambiza kuBafana Bafana. You know why? It's because uLyle Foster was a former Orlando Pirates player and i-Pirates igayine imali nge-purchase yakhe. The same way, thi ngikubekele example, the same way. Uyayibona le nto kaNkotha. uNkotha phela thi le liga ayidlalelayo uNkotha. I-PSL is 5 times better than their league yaboNkotha. PSL ayikho i-team ongayithatha kule league yaboNkotha uyilethe ku-PSL iwine i-PSL ayikho. Udlala nabantu abarithayile. Udlala nama-Prince nabantwana bama-King. Abantu abathatha ibhola as i-hobby. Hobby, masithi hobby mawubhorekile ubhorekela phezu kwayo. Mara uzothatha yena ubhentshi uSaleng. Sithatha uNkotha sishiya uSaleng siya ku-World Cup. Sithatha uFoster sishiya uSaleng siya ku-World Cup. Guys, like yabo masiplan ukufeyila, siplan ukufeyila masenza njalo. Angifuni ukuzwa ukuthi hey kunjani. Ayikho i-best left footer edlula uSaleng la eSouth Africa. Currently best left footer umuntu odlala ngo-left, natural born left footer. Ngizosithathela abafana abancane aboNkotha. Hayi. Thina siyazi ukuthi abo-Lyle Foster aboNkotha they are in national team because uMkhelele ulapha. Because uMkhelele said so. Naye uthatha ama-instruction from someone uMkhelele wakhona. Thatha ama-instruction from someone ozonda labafana ngaleyo nhliziyo. Hayi bafethu, let's be honest bafethu. uLyle Foster, checkani i-profile lakhe. Akasiyi-top striker ngisho le England le ku-Barclays Premiership. Maybe i-striker soku-16 uma kuwonke ama-best striker nje. Soku-16.